Hey guys, this is Asha Cherkal and welcome back to my channel. I know it's been around more than 6 days I have not uploaded any video, but sorry guys, my office has been started and I'm being little busy nowadays. So yeah, today I'm gonna create this makeup look. This makeup look is with the products which I had showed you in my previous video, that is the makeup kit within 1500 rupees. Yes, this is a makeup I have achieved by using those products. So I want to teach you guys how I have used an eyeshadow palette for so many steps in this makeup look. Yeah, so if you have not watched that video, I'll just link it above here, so kindly do watch. I prefer watch that video and then you watch this video, so that you will be having more clarification on how to use the products which I had showed you in this video. Yeah, so without further delay, let's move into the video. Hey guys, so yeah, let us start with the video now. So first and foremost thing I'm gonna use is Layers Water Girl Moisturizing Lotion. I'll take a bit and just dot all over my face. So we are done with the moisturization. Now let us move with the lip balm, and for the lip balm I have showed you this Himalaya lip balm. How you moisturize your face, it's pretty important to moisturize your lip as well. Okay, so we are done with the skin prep. Now let's move on to foundation. For foundation, I had showed you Biotic this foundation as well as this foundation of Inside. So today I'm gonna use this foundation. I don't know how is this foundation. I've just used once, and I don't exactly remember how this is, but let's try it. Do not use foundation over your forehead so much. So with the help of this beauty blender, let's blend it. Actually I really feel this foundation is not a full coverage foundation, by the way, but for the daily use you can aramse use this. There is no problem for using on daily basis, but the coverage you can see, right? So you can see all my pimples and all, and this is not exactly my shade, by the way. So this is not that full coverage foundation, but for daily use this is a very good foundation. You can go for it, but I feel for a function wear or for any occasion wear this is not that good foundation. But matlab not good foundation in the sense this is not a full coverage foundation. So yeah, anyway, it's fine. So after foundation we want to move to the powder, and for powder I have recommended this Lakme Radiance Compact Powder. With the help of this powder puff, I'll just apply it all over my face. This powder is really amazing. You people have to try this powder. So this was our base, and the base really looks beautiful with the products which I have suggested you in my previous video as well. So after the base, let's move on to the other base products, that is contour and blush. So for the contour I'm gonna use this palette. This is Swiss Beauty palette in the shade 08. This is a matte palette which I had showed you in my previous video as well. So from this palette, let us pick this brown color. On the brush, tap off the axis every time. Whenever you take any powder product, just tap off the axis like this and then start applying. So we'll apply on the jawline. This is very pigmented product, by the way, so do not apply much. This is enough. Okay, let's take it to the temples of the face as well. Contour, when you go for any function, do apply contour, because contour gives you a little bit of chiseled look, by the way. Okay, so yeah, so see, you can just see the difference, right? You will find a little bit of chisel look. And with the help of this small brush, I'll just contour my nose as well with the same this shade. Just take a little bit of this shade, tap off the axis and contour your nose. See, see, this is very dark. Let us take this beauty blender and just remove an excess amount. So this gives you a very good shape to your nose as well. So let us move on to the blush now, and for the blush I'm gonna take this color, this orange color. Every time tap off the axis. No, it's not applied. This is very pigmented, by the way. See, yeah, right? I'm darker in shade, so I much use like orange color or some coral colors. If you are fair in color, do use pink color blushes. Pink color doesn't suit me much actually. So if someone is very fair watching this video, you can use this pink color as well, and if you are darker than me, then you can go for this dark orange color as well as your blush. Or else if you want any shimmer blush, then you can use this orange or this pink as well. I'm gonna take little bit of this shimmer orange on the brush and I'll apply it just here. Just gives you a little nicer effect. See, right? Now you can actually see the blush, the contour, you can see the nose contour, everything, right? Okay, so once we are done with this, I have already opened this palette, so I'll take this white color and apply it as a highlighter. So first I'll apply on my brow bones. Okay. Okay, and some inner corner of my eyes. Okay, and I'll use on little bit on my nose. Okay, a little bit here on Cupid bow. Okay, so little bit here. See, okay, see the highlighter, right? So this is our base makeup. So now our base makeup is done with only 2 to 3 products, right? So with this and this palette, we have applied contour, blush and highlighter as well. So now let's move on to our eye makeup. So for the eye makeup today, so first let us fill our eyebrows. For the eyebrows, I have showed you this tool, and with the help of this eyeshadow palette, I'll choose this brown color. This is a very dark brown in color, and I'll just tap off the axis and start filling the eyebrows. See. Okay, so I'm done with both my eyebrows, so you can just use this dark brown and fill in the gaps. So now let's move on to eyeshadow part. So first I'm gonna take this white color in the palette. You can use any of the light colors which you have in your eyeshadow palette. We choose lighter color because we just need a small base to our eyes. See, now before applying contour, we make a base makeup, like we take foundation, we apply powder. So for an eye makeup also, we should have a base, not much. Take a little bit here, just tap off the axis. See, right? So next we'll take this light orange color and we'll apply on the crease very light-handedly. Do not press it, just take little bit and start building it. See, this much is more than enough. Now let's take this dark orange color in the palette. We'll apply it on our outer V. See, okay, you can just check it. Always hold your brush here, do not hold your brush here, because if you hold it very near to your brush, then it gives you much pressure. So always hold it here so that pressure is very low and blending becomes very beautiful. Okay, so after applying this, we have an empty area left here. So let's take this golden shade. You can take it with the help of your finger as well. See, okay, so after this we'll take the same shimmer palette. We'll take this orange color, we'll apply it on a outer V so that it gives you a little more transition. See, yeah, done. After that again we'll take this lighter shade which we had applied before on our crease and just again blend the crease so that it mixes well with the golden shade. See, so simple eye makeup, our eye makeup is done. It's very simple and elegant. You can just see how it is beautifully done. So now let's take this again, this brush, we'll take this dark orange color and we'll apply on our lower lash line. Only halfway through, only halfway we'll take this. So let's take this golden color and we'll apply on the inner corners. See, our eye makeup is done. Very simple eye makeup. I'll just finish my second eye and come back. Okay, so I'm back and I have finished both my eyes. You can just see how elegantly it has turned out, right? I am with love. So these two palettes are really very good. This you'll get in 200 rupees. That's very affordable to everyone, I feel. So you have to try these palettes as well. So after this I'm going to use eyeliner. If you're not comfortable using eyeliner, you can take the shimmer palette. You have a black color in this shimmery black color eyeshadow. You can take this brush, you can take this black color eyeshadow, just dip it and start applying as an eyeliner. But I'm pretty much comfortable with liquid liners, so I use liquid liners. So I'm taking this Biotic liquid liner. This is very good eyeliner. Actually, you know, this eyeliner I got it in 90 rupees. So I thought this is not a good eyeliner, but believe me, this is amazing. Okay, so I'm done with application of eyeliner. I have I've applied little dramatic because this goes well with your Indian wear. So after this I'm going to use kajal, and for kajal I had chosen Nykaa Rock the Line kajal. It's a very good kajal. Actually my eyes are too watery, so I'm not going to use on my upper waterline, but if anyone's eyes are not watery, they can use kajal on your upper line so that your eyes gives a very good shape. Okay, so after this I'm going to use mascara, and for mascara I'm using Blue Heaven Lash Twist Curling Mascara. I want to tell you about this product. I love mascaras, right? You guys might be know by now. So I have bought this mascara only for this video because I just wanted to do a video for in a lower pocket friendly budget. But this is amazing mascara. You know, when we compare this mascara with Maybelline ka, I'll give Maybelline 9 out of 10, but this is absolutely at least 8 out of 10 because this is amazing. Amazing matlab so much amazing, guys. So you have to use this very budgeted mascara, and it coats your eyelashes very nicely. We are done with mascaras and almost we are done with our makeup. So the last thing is lipstick. For lipstick I have chosen Biotic lipstick. So this is in the shade Very Moody. It's a kind of plum shade. Very nice shade, by the way. So this is not a matte lipstick, so if you want this lipstick to become a matte lipstick, then take a tissue paper, just press it on your lips, take a powder and buff it. And apply another coat on it. This instantly gives you little, not much, but little effect of matte. So we are done with the makeup, so I'll just apply bindi and come back. So yeah, so this is my makeup look. I hope you liked it. I am really love with this makeup look. This makeup look is only within 1500 rupees. So I want you guys to learn makeup, look beautiful in all the occasions and be confident. Okay, so yeah. So we are done with the video. If you do like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe to my channel and extend your support so that I can post more such videos in my YouTube channel. So yeah, let's meet in my next video. Until then, goodbye.